Top of the afternoon to you. It's Mother's Day and it's raining. It's supposed to be raining all day. But yes, I'm working. I got jobs I can do in this weather. Besides restaurants, when they do a lot of business on Mother's Day and the services do, they don't care. They just rather have the place looking nice. So that's an upside to things. But I want to tell you, if you're out in the field and your Highflyer fails of locking, as you can see, my baby Highflyer doesn't lock anymore. I've been putting this through vigorous use over the months. So in a pinch, all right, if you're not a dunker and you're a sprayer like me, then a quick fix, as you can see, my nipple is flat. It wore out. So in a pinch, what you could do is, until you drill a hole and put a BB in there like I told y'all to make this more permanent, what you can do is you can take a piece of duct tape, depending on how thick it is. You can use one or two. All right, what you want to do is you want to tuck this behind here like so. All right, now keep in mind this is not permanent unless of course you take some epoxy glue or some kind of Gorilla Glue. Hey, some kind of Gorilla Glue to keep it from coming up, because this is Gorilla Tape, but it's not going to stay stuck to it, forever. So you would have to get some other kind of waterproof glue to keep it from moving and to keep it right in place. But as you can see, now it's locking. All right, so that's what you can do in a pinch, because it can be rather annoying at times when you're on the job and this sucker keeps flopping down on it. But you won't have that problem if you put that tape there, like I said. And if you shake, it won't come down. But if you shake hard enough, it'll come down. So that's what I said in the pinch. You see it's not sliding on me, but just for argument's sake, you might want to put a line, get something skinny with a point, some kind of glue that has like a pointed tip, and just put it down in there in that crease. And then you sit your tape over top of it and let it bond before you start getting it all saturated and stuff. But that's a little quick fix. You won't see that little trick nowhere else except for my channel. I have yet to see anybody do it. There's a couple of different ways you can get this Highflyer to start working right for you, but this just gives you another option to use. And I rather kind of like it because it just failed on me today. And I'm doing a whole bunch of polyproof. I'm saying we French pains. And I don't need this sucker flopping down on me because I got a lot of pole work and I can't reach. So for those who aren't that good doing French pains with a pole, then I suggest you practice, because I'm nasty with it. Some people just rather get a little step stool, and that's fine. That's fine, but that's extra tools you got to carry around, you feel me? With a pole is nothing, because we always carrying poles around, but how often do we carry poles, ladders, and heavy and whatnot? The less things you got to carry, the better. So the quicker you get used to using that pole, the better. That pole will eliminate a lot of your worries and headaches. And plus it's safer. But this is I'm not going to actually put any glue behind here. I don't think I'm going to need it. But I'm going to keep y'all posted how long this lasts. And I think it's going to last a pretty long time. I've been flipping this back and forth. And I don't see any wear at all on this duct tape. If anyone knows about certain duct tapes, it has like a clear lamination on top. And it's virtually impregnable. At least the Gorilla Tape one is. So I don't think it's really going to punch a hole in it because there's nothing sharp here. It's just a round thing. So all you need is the tension. So the tension to keep it from being too loose. And that thin piece of tape is just enough to add to that tension without wearing the spot where the nipple is down on the actual duct tape, Gorilla Tape itself. So that's something you want to maybe think about and keep in mind. It's a pretty brilliant, quick fix, if I do say so myself. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Y'all get out there and make that money and stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Macca Fracca. Peace, peace, peace. I'm not